I failed 2 previous businesses. I failed a coffee shop before. I failed as a consultant in a food business. And cilantro was just a way for me to test myself, to see if I would never give up. My name is Jay Kim. I'm a chef entrepreneur at Cilantro Barbecue in Austin, Texas. So I started my food truck business in 2010, and that was because I didn't have the money to start the restaurant. So I leased the food truck. I wrote a business plan based on the recipe that I found online and trying it with my family and friends. And I took the truck out on the road. A few months were horrible. Like my first day in sale was $7. Next day was $14. And I wanted to give our customers the best that I can give. And because at the end of the day, even if I failed, what I didn't want to do is, tell myself I could have, I should have, would have, and regret myself for not doing my best. We're here to inspire the way people eat, think, and feel about Korean barbecue, and we're the gateway for people to be introduced to kimchi and Korean barbecue at the same time. We're grilling on a flat top here. We use chicken thighs, about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. It's about 80% done, and I want it 80% done because we're gonna put this back on the grill to cook off with all the sauces that we have here. With our homemade gochujang sauce, just lightly coating it. Pre-cut fries already. We're gonna leave it on a fryer for a few minutes. We have vegetarian kimchi here. How we caramelize it is very simple, just oil and kimchi. Once I'm done with this, put on top of the fries. Just like that. Caramelized kimchi, some diced onions for texture, some cheese. Like the whole point is that we load them up. We have magic sauce here and a little bit of sriracha, and we garnish it with a cilantro.